With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
It is given that if alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we need to find the value of this expression. So the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots. If alpha and beta are the roots, then we know that the sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha beta would be equal to c by a. With these two equations in mind, we have to find the value of this. So we have been given with this. This is nothing but 1 by a into alpha plus b whole squared plus 1 by a into beta plus b whole squared. This is what we need to find. This is equal to 1 by, if we can take an a out of this, so it would be a squared. Here we are left with alpha plus b by a whole squared, plus we can again take a out, so we have a squared, beta plus b by a squared. Now since b by a is minus alpha plus beta, we will use this condition. Using b by a is equal to minus alpha plus beta. So we'll use this, and we would have equal to 1 by a squared alpha minus beta whole squared plus 1 by a squared, and here we will have beta minus alpha minus beta squared, which is equal to 1 by a squared, and a alpha cancels out, so we are left with b squared plus 1 by a squared, and we are left with here alpha squared. This is equal to 1 by a squared can be taken out, so we have 1 by beta squared plus 1 by alpha squared. Now this is equal to 1 by a squared. We can take the common denominator, alpha squared beta squared. On the numerator we have alpha squared plus beta squared. We can write this as alpha plus beta whole squared minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha squared into beta squared, because this will produce a plus 2 alpha and this will cancel it out. Now we are going to make use of the fact that alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. So this equation changes to 1 by a squared, alpha plus beta is minus b by a squared, minus 2 into alpha beta is c by a, divided by alpha squared beta squared would be c by a whole squared. So this is equal to 1 by a squared, and the numerator b squared by a squared minus 2c by a divided by this, so we can write this as multiplied by a squared by c squared. Now we can take a squared as the denominator in this term, so we will have b squared minus 2ca into a squared divided by c squared. We can cancel 1 a squared from this, and the final result we can then write is equal to b squared minus 2ac divided by a squared c squared. And this is our solution.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.